As children, welcome to VIN School. I am Sugna. Lesson number 9. Our school. What's your chapter name, children? Our school. So what and all you are going to learn this in this chapter, children? So the principal's room, staff room, the office, sick room, assembly hall, playground, library, our classroom, washroom. So in your school, what and all you will go on, what and all rooms and all is there, children? You have seen the principal's room, no? Staff room you have seen, where teachers and all they will sit, no? They will correct your homeworks, classworks, everything, no? Yes, no, children? Okay. Then the office. Office, you know. Sick room. Sick room means if you get fever, if you get cold, cough, means if you are not well, they will make to sit in the sick room. Assembly hall, where you will do the prayer, no? That is assembly hall. Playground. Playground, you know, no, children? You will go and you will play in the playground. Library. So our classroom. Next is our classroom. You know about your classrooms, no? And washroom. This and all we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, children, take the action you do after waking up in the morning. After waking up morning, what and all you will do, children? After you are waking up in the morning, what and all you will do? You will see here they have given so much options. Let me see. Brush teeth, watch TV, play with friends, put on shoes, take a bath, wear uniform, eat breakfast, watch a movie. So they have given so much of options. So what and all you will do? Morning if you get means you will brush your teeth. Yes or no, children? And you will take a bath. Afterwards you will watch the TV or you will wear a uniform, children? You will wear uniform. No, children? In the morning itself. Afterwards what you will do? You will eat breakfast. Yes or no? So afterwards what you will do? You will put on the shoes. Now you are ready to go to school. Yes or no, children? Now you are ready to go to school, no? Yes. Now you are ready for school. Okay, children? School is a place where we go to study. School is a place where we will go to study, no, children? Where you will go, children? To school, no. At school we learn to read, write, sing and dance. We also learn good manners. Okay, children? At school what you will do? You will learn to read, write, sing and dance, no, children? And you will learn good manners also. What good manners you will learn, children? You will make a line while entering into the class. Yes or no? Afterwards what you will do? When you are lunch break, you will go and you will wash your hands before and after eating your lunch. Yes or no, children? So this and all good manners. You will keep your books properly. Okay. This and all good manners. Where you will learn, children? In school only, no. We make many new friends. We play with them in school. Yes, children, we will make many new friends. In your class, there will be more new friends, no, children? Many new friends, no? What you will do? You will play with them in the school. Yes or no, children? Okay. Our school has many classrooms. Our school has other rooms too. Yes, children. Our school has many classrooms, no, children? Our schools has other rooms too. So many classrooms. You will have first standard, second standard, third standard, up to 10th standard will be LKG, UKG, pre-KG and all will be, no. So many classrooms will be. Our schools has other rooms too. What and all rooms will be, let we can see. Okay children. Now we can see about the principal's room. The principal is the head of the school. She sits in the principal's room. Okay children. So in your school there will be principal, no. He is the head of the school, no children. Okay, where he will sit children? In the principal room, no. Okay, now we can see about the staff room. Our teachers sit in the staff room. They check our homework and prepare for the next lesson here. Okay children. Staff room. Teachers, where they will sit children? They will sit in the staff room, no. Why they will sit in the staff room children? They will check out your homework, classwork and prepare the next lesson, no. So they will sit in the staff room. So next one is office. Next one is office. Have you seen the office children? So where you will pay the fees children? In the office, no. So we can see the office. The office. We pay our fees in the office. We can see many people working in the office on computers. There is a bell near the office. It is rung after every period. Okay children. Next we are going to see about the office. Where your mama and father will pay the fees children? In the office, no. We can see many people working in the office on the computers. Yes or no? So there is a bell near the office. So it rung after every period. Okay children.